Hello everyone, my name is Louise Vasques and I am a researcher at the Campinas State University and part of the research group called CECD, which stands for Center of Specialties in Cosmetic and Dermatological Science, coordinated by Professor Gislaine Leonardi. I am here today to share with you our most recent review paper called Topical Application of Ascorbic Acid and its Derivatives, a review considering clinical trials, which was kindly published by Current Medicinal Chemistry at the very end of 2022. The topical use of vitamin C, aka ascorbic acid, has been explored for many decades due to its antioxidant potential, whitening action, and the essential role it plays in the synthesis and maintenance of collagen. Since the levels of vitamin C can vary according to the individual conditions and its oral intake is insufficient to act properly in the skin, its topical use is very recommended. However, since ascorbic acid is unstable in aqueous solutions and it can be easily oxidized, derivative molecules and stabilization strategies have been explored to facilitate its incorporation into dermatological products. Even though these molecules are already for sale all around the world, there is still a shortage of scientific data regarding efficacy studies of these acids, especially in vivo. With that being said, the purpose of this review was to investigate and discuss the issues regarding the topical application of vitamin C and its most common derivatives, including the difficulties, biases, and prospects for future clinical studies to better elucidate its effects. For that, a literature review was carried out to select studies that evaluated the topical use of ascorbic acid and its derivatives. We were able to find, from 145 studies, 14 that perfectly fit our objective, and they were detailed in this review, showing the most common problems when it comes to the efficacy evaluation of vitamin C derivatives. We found that in most of these studies where the derivative molecules were tested, they were only evaluated in vitro or in other animals, which means that their efficacy in the human body is still not completely elucidated. However, in the recent years and with the prohibition of animal testing in many countries, this scenario has started to change and a few in vivo studies are beginning to pop. Also, the methodology of those studies were questioned, with the aim to find the best way to describe an efficacy test, and with that enabling the repeatability and providing accurate results. In conclusion, we may say that the studies of stability, safety, side effects, and especially in vivo efficacy, studies with a relevant number of subjects and standardized parameters are essential for better elucidating the effects of topical application of vitamin C derivatives in comparison with ascorbic acid formulations for the skin. We sincerely hope that this work can help to share scientific knowledge to all our fellow researchers and also provide outstanding future findings in the cosmetic and dermatology field. Thank you very much for reading, sharing, and using this paper now and in the future.